Everyone, welcome back to BL Animation Studios. Today I'm going to show you a simple yet powerful color grading technique in Photoshop that can completely transform your images. Just look at this picture before and after. Amazing, right? In this tutorial, I will take you step by step from this to this so you can achieve professional looking results on your own photos. Let's dive in with a small intro.
Hello people, welcome back to BL Animation Studios.
To do that, first you need to import your image. Then go to Layer and press Ctrl J to make copy. Then select Layer and right click on it and click on Convert to Smart Object. Then go to Filter and then go to Camera Raw Filter. Yes, here you can adjust the color balance. Here, increase the contrast a little bit, like I will keep 7, and also reduce the shadow a little bit, and I will reduce for 24, and scroll down then come to color grading, then choose shadows, and here I will keep this for like here, and also I will hold shift to adjust. Then you can see this line if you hold shift, and you can adjust the color. And then I will click on midtones. Also I will keep here, and then hold shift and adjust a little bit like I do. Okay, then go to highlight. Here also you can adjust as well. I will keep here and hold shift and adjust a little bit more like this. Then go to detail and increase sharpening a little bit. I'll keep like this, and also increase noise reduction like this. And also go to this color mixer panel. Here you can do on saturation, increase the red little bit because the lips are red, and red color we can see here. Yes, that's good. And also you can see here orange as well, so increase that too. Yes, fine. And you can see yellow. Yes, I will increase a little bit. Increase green little bit. And here we can see purples as well. Increase a little bit. Yes, fine. And also magenta. Increase little. Then okay, fine. Here you can see color. Here reduce the vibrance a little bit. And scroll down, and you can see finally this calibration option as well. So here you can reduce hue a little bit on red primary and increase the saturation a little bit like this, and also green primary like that. Yeah, a little bit, and saturation increasable, and also blue primary like that. I'll keep like this, and saturation a little bit. Yeah, this is fine. And I think all done. Let me check once. Yeah, it's fine. Then click OK. Then you can see here smart filters and camera filter option, and double click this icon to reduce the whole image opacity a little bit. Yeah, I will keep this like maybe 80 is fine, I think. Yes, and click OK. Then you can go adjustment layer and click on the levels option. Here you can see this and adjust the highlight a little bit. I will do like this, and you can also do like I do, and also it's fine. And also again go to adjustment layer and click on selective color option. Here we can select red first and increase the darkness of red a little bit, maybe 8 is fine, and magenta keep like this, and cyan, yes, this is fine, and yeah, black is fine as well. So, and then select yellow, and we can increase the darkness of yellow also a little bit. Yes, fine. Keep like this. Yes, this is fine. And go to green and increase the greenish a little bit. Yes, it's fine. And go to magentas as well, increase a little bit. Yeah, this is fine. And go to finally blacks, and little bit we can adjust the whole image. Yeah, maybe 5, okay. And then magenta a little bit, and then cyan. Yeah, fine, it's good. And yeah, here is the final output. You can see. I think you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and like the video, and comment, share, and give you a support as well to grow my channel. And thank you for watching.